Namaste everyone. Whenever we hear the name Shanidev, the first thing that comes to mind is fear. We think of bad luck, hardships, and his wrathful gaze. But have you ever wondered why is Shanidev so angry? Is it pure rage or is there a tragic backstory behind his destructive vision? Today, we are uncovering 3 untold stories that explain the mystery behind the anger of the Lord of Justice. Stay tuned because the last story will change how you look at him forever. Our first story explains why Shanidev never looks anyone directly in the eye. Most people believe he is evil, but his gaze is actually a burden he carries. Legend says that Shanidev was a supreme devotee of Lord Krishna. One day, he was so deeply lost in meditation that he completely ignored his wife. Feeling neglected and insulted, she cursed him in a fit of rage. From this day on, whomever you cast your sight upon shall face immediate destruction. This is why Shanidev keeps his eyes cast downward, not out of anger, but to protect the world from a power he cannot control. The second story takes us back to his birth. Shanidev is the son of Lord Surya, that is the sun god, and Chaya, that is shadow. When he was born, his skin was dark as coal. Seeing this, Suryadev felt insulted. He refused to accept Shani as his son and even insulted Shani's mother Chaya. Seeing his mother humiliated, the infant Shani's power flared. It is said that when he first looked at his father, the sun god turned pitch black and was struck with illness. This father-son conflict is why Shanidev is seen as a rebel against ego and authority. The third story proves that Shanidev isn't angry. He is just the ultimate judge. The demon king Ravan was so powerful that he enslaved all the planets to ensure his son Meghnath would be immortal. He placed Shanidev face down under his foot so Shani's gaze couldn't reach him. But Shanidev played a psychological game. He whispered to Ravan, "How can a great king like you be afraid to look me in the eye?" Overcome by ego, Ravan turned Shani over. The moment Shani's gaze hit Ravan, his downfall began. It shows that Shani's anger is reserved only for those blinded by pride. So, is Shanidev really angry? The truth is, he isn't a villain. He is a teacher who uses tough love. He represents the law of karma. What you sow, you shall reap. He doesn't punish the innocent. He disciplines the arrogant. If you are honest and hardworking, you have nothing to fear from the Lord of Justice. Which of these 3 stories surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Indian mythology, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And don't forget to type Jai Shanidev for his blessings.